Welcome back to Appliance Educator. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean your oven with all natural ingredients you can find in your kitchen. All right, so I'm going to show you some safe alternatives to chemicals to clean your oven with. And the first part we're going to use is baking soda. Baking soda is great for pulling up gunk in all sorts of situations. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 4 parts of baking soda. You just want to make sure that each part is semi-even to the next part. And then you'll add 1 part water. So if you're using, like I am, tablespoons, you'll use 4 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of water. So we'll mix this up so it gets nice and paste-like. And this amount should cover your whole inside of your oven. All right, so the first step is to remove your racks. And if you have really dirty racks, it's really easy to get them clean by just putting them in a bucket of water or a sink filled with warm water and some soap. Let that sit for about an hour, all the scum and gruck should get off. So now we'll take our baking soda paste and we'll just dabble it on a sponge and let it rub around and coat all the messy spots in your oven. So we've let our baking soda mixture sit in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now all we're going to do is give it a nice scrub. For some really tough gunk and grime, you can use a plastic scraper and just give it some nice scrapes. And also squirt it down with some apple cider vinegar or white vinegar will really help too. All right, so that about does it. Our oven's looking great, and all we used was some all-natural products in our kitchen. If you had any other suggestions on ways we could have cleaned our oven, please leave a comment below and subscribe for more videos. We'll catch you next time.